Hello guys, this is my retro line project. Um, I have, as you can see, I have something set up here, but in reality, we're not using all of this. We're just gonna be using the Arduino itself, which will help us create what we'll be displaying onto the computer here. And I'll be going over my code so you guys could understand what I did. So for my first code, I created a for loop, and the first thing that I did, I made connection with the computer by starting with serial begin 9600, and then my void loop, I set up functions, and within these functions have a certain number, and for my void function that I created, which in this case is void len, I created a for method, which states I'm an integer I equals to 1, I is less than m, and I plus plus counting by 1. And serial print have these little stars right here, and I have them print them out right here onto my COM. And I have a delay after that, so it could take it after it's done with that one and continues on to the next one. So that is the for method. And what I did for the while loop here is that I took the three main things from the for and just took them separate. Same process. Set up the connection, serial begin 9600, set up numbers on my void loop, and then I set up my function in this case, which is void len, and I have integer I equals to 1, and while I is less than m, close open parentheses, open brackets, serial print asterisk. So in this case, whatever the integer is here, so in this case we're gonna have all these numbers having these statements comply with this to see if it is true or not, and if it is true, it will display onto the COM, which is right here. And as you guys can see, it just continues repeatedly and over. And yeah, this is my project for retro lines. And so in reality here, we're not really using these components here for this program. This is for a different project. All we're doing here is using the Arduino board itself to make connection with the computer. And we're using the computer to display what is going on in the Arduino board here. Thank you.